ban pensyai pensngutu ikipaiba nongsong snong hasor bat nongkendong khamtam yikidu ki bangat aka apot nak jingsha thambo le kahok jongki haka khat ar tarik noilar arjar pusau ka District Legal Service Authority DLSA Shillong rengkat bat ka Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority MSLSA kilapen long ya ka program a jingikai halo ka jing a jirap ka an klem jingsiu yikinongsha leben ka blaktep kum ka legal awareness program on access to free legal aid to victims haktin nongwei hakate ka program lai don lang da VG ke kenta unoi sai ain khamrang ba komu rio shampang blakren halo ka Meghalaya Victims Compensation Scheme arjar puar kakong B Kharlukhi Secretary ka District Legal Service Authority kakong E Pertu Paralegal Volunteers District Legal Service Authority ki Aganwadi Asha Dr. Kinos bat kiwede haba jing pensai hakate ka program uba VG ke kenta ulong ka Meghalaya Victim Compensation Scheme arjar puar kadai ka scheme ka bala mangkhnang nak benta ki basha leben bakinyo ya ka jingyarap man a jing sumar ai klem ka jingsiu nalor ka taw ulong ru bakadai ka kamram jing kipulet pan a jing tep shaka District Legal Service Authority DLSA bat ka Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority MSLSA ya ki basha leben lekho nak jingsha thombor bat sha penman saw bakinyo jingyarap nakate ka scheme
di shop and crunch pang ka kumno ka sang ni ka Meghalaya Victim Compensation Scheme lani ki kali ka scheme hi lalu pasang ni alam fi ka Supreme Court judgment ka kumno ba kali ka Victim Compensation Scheme ka sang ni ko na batay fi ba ka dan ko case kali ka Delhi Domestic Working Women Forum they can get a judgment of 1995. They get a chupule time the relevant portion. Cannot of your idea of India. Happening a judgment Kalapata Shaikala, but legal assistance will have to be provided at the police station. They can very, very important if you see a pit bar. Legal assistance will have to be provided at the police station. Since the victim of sexual assault might very well be in a distressed state upon arrival at the police station, the guidance and support of a lawyer at this stage and whilst she was being questioned would be of great assistance to her. The police should be under a duty to inform the victim of her right to representation before any questions were asked of her, and that the police report should state that the victim was so informed. They inshallah kini direction to the Supreme Court to the police station to even carry out. They come julong kumta. One man for the first time came across this decision of what you are kini para Vijayla. Yung makasang kani ka victim compensation na kani ka judgment 1995. They shushu kakum kutu kajing puli kajunga matan kalong ba. About you one kilo victim of rape or victim attack, kilo victim. It was a level. About you point for police station, the duty to put it on inform me kila ni bakili pa kila pan ay ka juba kujuki hakmat joki dida kili bandalang kila joki de lana ki dida kim don kimla pan tum dida kali ka kamram jong ka police station ba kila de bandan rupa ki designated lawyers kiban access to police station. Hakapor binsha iman mas like ni judgment. Ngalayo kalat ngalo advisor jo ki South Central ki police station. But kila juman ki cases at Islam. They hakapor long Director General uni Sivas ka. Tiu hakapor uni mehta ng hospital ng police. They kalong very proactive ha. Kalong relation but ki public but ki victims very good. They were here at that time. They had company adjustment issue and fully important. Coming direction in the Supreme Court, it is necessary, having regard to the directive principles contained under Article 38, Bracket 1 of the Constitution of India, to set up Criminal Injuries Compensation Board. Here, the board which make a victim compensation scheme. They support a direct in the Supreme Court. Atau kapor kawang bakal ibandon kata Criminal Injuries Compensation Board. Rape victims frequently incur substantial financial loss. Some, for example, are too traumatized to continue in employment kani ke jisha kiron ki victims of sexual assault amnalong so traumatized ba kala point stage ba ki ham e ba kam ba jump ba kimla pan ti kam ti jump shu te ka point kalong ba de ta kadam ka sadam ki scheme manta yong ni scheme de ko por ka suggestion kalong ma de ka board so sashi se no kali bandan ka criminal injuries compensation board de haju ko por any judgment occurrence from compensation for victims shall be awarded by the court on conviction of the offender and by the Criminal Injuries Compensation Board. Whether or not a conviction has taken place, the board will take into account pain, suffering and shock as well as loss of earnings due to pregnancy and the expenses of childbirth if this occur as a result of the rape. Naman pagkaroon kani hukum ng Supreme Court in 1995. Isayo yung kani amendment yung section 357A ng Indian Penal Code. Kaya supuli kanya naman pagkani kalong namla supuli kang scheme directly. Ilan ka mantip yung genesis, yung source yung kani victim compensation scheme. Kaya kani po supuli yung kani provision kepada Code of Criminal Procedure Section 357A. Hal ni kani provision Section 357A la amend ka CRPC hawat 2009. Dia la incorporate kani section. Kani section ni kalau section kalau important official penting. Section 357A kakran by direct victim compensation scheme. Di kamu to yang apa keren ki bentar tu scheme ko mau mana kan hai bagan yalam ki provision jo ni ai di susu kali ai kaum ba every state government in coordination with the central government shall prepare a scheme for providing funds for the purposes of compensation to the victim or his dependents who have suffered loss or injury as a result of the crime and who require rehabilitation. The issue scheme section whenever a recommendation is made by the court for compensation, the District Legal Services Authority or the State Legal Services Authority, as the case may be, shall decide the quantum of compensation to be awarded under the scheme referred to in subsection 1. If the trial court at the conclusion of the trial is satisfied that the compensation awarded under section 357 is not adequate for such rehabilitation, or where the cases end in acquittal or discharge and the victim has to be rehabilitated, it may make recommendation for compensation. Where the offender is not traced or identified, but the victim is identified, and where no trial takes place, the victim or his dependents may make an application to the District Legal Services Authority for award of compensation. Hangni nakani ka provision jo kani ka ain yedi ban sutu shai kdar ba hangni ka lagata hi yedi ban ain kani ka application shak office of the District Legal Services Authority te nang pipuli ya kani ka pau kuma kani ka duty jo ki ibasha jinja yedi ban approach the District Legal Services Authority Andre masoba nama keladon ki jingkala kami keladi ka kamram lu jong ka District Legal Services Authority rane what State Legal Services Authority haba ka yoi hadini gido ki media reports ki newspaper print or electronic media keladi ka kamram par ka duty jong kani ka jong kini ki services ba kini ban take up so moto action kamu have an process the application undan kam kana dan kita application naki mamla question jinja andre ka de undan ta somoto te hey galan kata sa batai hadin kasi te ndi ka kablong important kalong ba hangni pa ba kala de ka kamran du jong ka police station ba nang ni sakma hi ka number ki police station ni kala de bandong proactive kala de ka kamran jong ki ru bakin penting di District Legal Services Authority, but the State Legal Services Authority, ba makadang kini victims of crime kepada against women or against anybody. Te kaladi kamran tu jeki ban penting sasa sekini authorities. Di kamera isu ke kamera tang jom itu bersih ni.
Kumno ba Raju?
Kumne kong, ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jam baro.
Hoi ki biang lor.
Ai kira shon jong menta ubnai.
Hoi ta.
Ba? Ukau iu unia.
Kong undi udai ukau plus F, ukau fortified.
Ukau 45? Henry ba? Ukau 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukau ba ai barabor umde uba ba?
Kong, kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi, ki kta ya ka kot ka khya ka jongi. Manta ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam ki long ni em ki batei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ladangi bam ki jingbam ki bomtei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ila ban yo ya ka jingpang dunasnam mat ka jingbria ki kman.
Henry ba uni ukau 45 udan jiga dei kumno.
Yo iya ka jingtei ya ka met ka phat ka jongi. Nak jingbam ka bangi bam man la kasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jongkine ngengat hagi babun ke jingpa ka sarkar ka persangkar bala banwanra ya ka kot ka khia. Ka FSSAI ka batha bau khau ata kamlu kadut bat ke ampnyang bam. Ki dei bandon ya ke jingbam ki bantei ya kamet. Knang baha ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo hadu 100% kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet. But lai kerteng yaki 45 ila banitu yaki ta ka sharp plus F haki.
Ba? Uni ujing bam plus F pat ngila ban yo ne ai.
Nang ni kong. Nagani ka daw ka sarkar kalapan mi yaki skim ICDS, MDM, PDS kabha na ka banta upaj ba. Ka sarkar mi kalamang kerpang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan na ka ba kilapha daw khau ba bhatam na ka banta ki khna bat kilong kimi ki ba armen. Dei na ka taga daw batang da uni ujaj khau ba bhatam ban sam shabaro kilong yeng. Nang ni shakman. Tang da ukhau fortified.
Ba, fikran ya ka jing shisha.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba Ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.